Hi, I'm here at the CITWC Nature Park. This is November 13th, and we've had quite a week of varying temperatures. Sunday and Monday, we had temperatures near 70, and then it got cold again with rain and then just a little bit of snow today on November 13th. I was out looking for flowers this week, native ones that is, and I found a few, but I have a feeling this may be the last one. So I hope you enjoyed it. The CITWC Nature Park is located on the campus of the church in Toledo, Westside Community Church, located at 6109 West Bancroft Street in Toledo, Ohio. To enter the nature park, take the driveway to the parking lot behind the church.